Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. And I have here some leftover magic. I always wondered what it would be like to take a leftover macaroni and cheese recipe and turn it into a pasta salad. So that's what I did with the Mexican-inspired Fiesta pasta, which was originally made with the Colby Jack cheese and some salsa and some black olives and mild green chilies and tomatoes. I added a few more tomatoes. I added some corn kernels and some chopped celery and some veggies. And it didn't need any more extra spice, even though the veggies, kind of diluted it, but not really. So, and then I garnished it with some fresh cilantro. So let me have a taste. It's so good. Just as good as a salad. Really delicious. And it's wonderful with the cilantro. And it's a funny thing about cilantro. I used to think I was one of those people that genetically couldn't tolerate cilantro. One of the early jobs I had paying my way through university was as a produce selector for an online grocery delivery service. And I always hated it when people ordered cilantro. I'd get the smell on my hands and it made me miserable. Until after my car accident. And my kidneys were damaged by the contrast dye and the anesthesia and the antibiotics and who knows what else. And I found this kidney cleanse. And one of the juices that it called for was a mixture of white potato, orange, and a whole bundle like what you get in the store of cilantro. And I thought, man, that's going to be gross, but I'm going to drink it because it's part of the plan. And after I had that juice, I learned to enjoy cilantro, so there you go. You never know. You think you absolutely hate something, and you're surprised. And cilantro is really good for you. So I'm glad I like it now, because I enjoy the flavor. It enhances this salad. So I will put the recipe for the salad on my blog too. I'll link it in the description, along with the previous video. Uploads Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Community posts Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts Wednesday. Occasional kitty videos on Catterday. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for visiting my community tab. And I'll see you later, guys.